Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Apple Watch must run the latest watchOS and have Wi-Fi or cellular enabled. Sign in to YouTube Music on the paired iPhone with the account you want, because the Watch app mirrors that login during initial setup. Once done, open the YouTube Music app on the iPhone and allow background sync. This lets the Watch access offline playlists. Make sure you have the Watch charging nearby, since large transfers or initial caching can take time and battery. Next, you create and select playlists or liked songs to make available offline. On the iPhone YouTube Music app, choose a playlist and tap Download. This queues the content for the Watch when the two devices sync. Once you open YouTube Music on the Watch, navigate to Available Offline and initiate the sync. This transfers audio and metadata. Keep the Watch on its charger and connected to the same Wi-Fi network to speed transfer, and make sure the Watch app shows a progress indicator until it reaches completion. Finally, you can play YouTube Music directly from the Apple Watch without the iPhone nearby. Open the app, select Offline, pick a playlist, and pair Bluetooth headphones to the Watch. If playback doesn't start, first toggle Wi-Fi or cellular on the Watch and restart it. Then check the YouTube Music app sync status and reinitiate downloads from the iPhone if needed. If storage is low, remove older downloads or lower audio quality in the app to free space. This ensures reliable offline playback going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.